I'm going to show you how to make roasted peppers. I line this specific pepper pan with foil. I'm using 2 bags of peppers from the freezer. You can use 1 usually. I just wanted a lot of peppers. I like to flip them all so that the skin is facing down because I like it to get kind of burnt. Drizzle avocado oil over all of it, and then salt, pepper, and garlic. And then I bake it for 10 minutes on 400, and then we'll put them in a little jar and store them in the fridge. This is how you make basic roasted peppers.